My name is Nana-Francisca Schottländer, and I am the associate artist of Cité in the network of In Situ under the program of Uncommon Spaces. I was exploring the river, the dried-out river of Les Aygalades, using my own body, creating photography and video, and inviting participants on a workshop. And then at the end of the residency, I presented the final material that was created together with Marine Gastineau, who is the photographer, in a video installation and still photographies, together with some of the texts that had been created during the workshop and during our work here. And then finally I invited the people for the presentation to come down for a short visit in the riverbed to show their respect to the place, to meet it, and to relate to all the materials, stories that are unfolding here and participating. In here on this residency, I've been working with a method that I developed, which is called going visiting. And method is a method that I've been working with for a long time. It was developed through my work in very different landscapes, but within the In Situ context, I have found it an interesting way to visit different landscapes within the network, and to use the method as a way of understanding and developing the beginnings of a relationship with these landscapes. Creating a relationship, whether it's with humans or with more than humans, it takes time. It takes time to get a rapport, to feel the resonance, and to start really understanding what is at stake here and how can I respond to that in a meaningful way. So in a way, I feel like this residency, it's like a first date. It's a first Tinder date. We met. At first, I was extremely sad to leave the place. I found it so, I felt like mourning, and I felt like cleaning up. And then I realized I won't be able to do that in a week. And maybe mourning is not the way to truly respect and appreciate this place. And I came here after a conversation with Pierre Sauvageon at one of the gatherings of the different partners and artists of the In Situ network, because I talked about my work in landscapes in general, and then I talked about how in the later years I am more drawn to landscapes that are marked by human intervention, by production, extraction, the factors of our modern world, because I'm interested in understanding what takes place. How do we understand the relationship between humans and nature, or the entanglement between humans and nature in a place like this, where we are confronted with the consequences of how we live and consume and produce. So I have not only been going visiting the river, I have also been going visiting the Cité des Arts de la Rue, which is a quite extraordinary place. We don't have anything like that in Denmark. Such a big place dedicated to work in public space. I think it's quite impressive that such a thing exists here in France. Part of the Uncommon Spaces project has given me the opportunity to visit a lot of very, very different landscapes, and to have glimpses into some quite central dynamics of each of the places that I have visited, from quarries in northern Italy to mines in Sardinia to quarries and hydroelectric facilities in Norway to a melting glacier and tourist industry in Austria and to the dried up river of Les Aygalades. I feel incredibly privileged to have met these places and glimpsed some of the dynamics that are shaping these places. And for me as an artist, I think it has definitely broadened my horizon and given me an appetite to work outside of my own country. I think one of the challenges of working like this is for a partner to commit to a long-term process of me coming back again and again in order to finally produce a body of work which is completely in relation to this place